In today's video, I am going to teach you how to set up automation in Activecampaign to sell products. To begin, log into your Activecampaign account and take a moment to look at the left sidebar. This is where you will find the main navigation for building and managing your marketing workflows. Click Automations in the left sidebar. This will bring you to the Automations area, where you can create new automations and view any existing ones. Next, click Create an Automation. When the setup options appear, choose Start from Scratch and then click Continue. Starting from scratch is helpful because it gives you full control over the trigger and each action that follows, which is ideal when you want a clean, product-focused flow. Now you will choose what starts your automation. Select Makes a Purchase under e-commerce as your trigger. This trigger is designed to fire when a contact completes an order, which makes it perfect for post-purchase messaging, upsells, and follow-ups. After selecting it, click Add Start. At this point, you have defined the exact moment the automation should begin. With your trigger in place, you will add your first action. Click the plus icon on the canvas, then go to Sending Options and select Send an Email. This email is typically your first post-purchase message. For example, you might send a thank you email, provide next steps, or introduce a related product offer. Keep the email clear and relevant to what the customer just bought, and make sure the subject line matches the intent so it feels timely and helpful. After the email, you will create a delay before your next follow-up. Click the plus icon again, then choose Conditions and Workflow and select Wait. Set a wait period for a follow-up upsell, then click Save. The wait step is important because it gives customers time to receive and engage with the first email before you present another message. Choose a wait time that fits your product and buying cycle so your upsell feels natural instead of rushed. Finally, look to the top right and toggle the switch to Active. This turns your automation on so it can begin running for new purchases. Once it is active, Activecampaign will automatically send your email and apply the wait period each time the purchase trigger occurs. That covers everything you need to know.